Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and what I have in front of me right now is almost like a DTG printer's worst nightmare. So not only are all three of these shirts black polyester, but they all have designs on them in places that are usually really tough for DTG printers. I have a tag here on this tank, a big design with all these seams. I have a long sleeve design, and then I have a logo on a polo. Buttons and collars can usually be tough to work with. So how did we do it? We used the DTG G4 to print direct-to-film transfers. These transfers can go on dark, light polys and in any placement you want. They're really easy to use, so I want to show you guys how it works. So I've already sent some designs over to the DTG G4, and I'm just going to go ahead and press print. So now what you see here is a DTF film sheet on top of a white t-shirt. The DTG G4 has an exclusive vacuum platen, so this t-shirt is just going to help suck the film into place. Now the G4 is going to print the color layer of our designs first, and then it's going to print the white ink layer over it. This is really going to make the colors pop on dark and black garments. Then when it's done printing, this ink will still be wet, so we are going to just let it dry a little bit on the lower platen of our heat press. Now we're ready to put the film into our DTG DTF shaker kit. I have about a ½ inch of DTF adhesive white powder in this tube, and I'm just going to shake it around and make sure that the back of my transfer is evenly coated. The shaker kit is really great because it contains the powder so that you're not making a big mess all over your shop. After you have a nice even layer, you're going to want to use some sort of hard object to just knock off the excess powder. Next, I will remove the transfer, and I'm going to flick off any of the remaining powder into a container. This powder is recyclable, so any of the powder that goes into this container, I can just pour it back into my tube and I can use it again. The last step here is to warm the powder, so I'm going to use the hover feature of the Geonite DK20 heat press to do this. And then I'm ready to put these transfers onto garments. So first I'm going to show you guys the tag design we made. This black polyester Sport Tech tank has a removable tag, and I'm going to use this little heat press pad to elevate my surface here. I'll put my transfer in place, and all I'm going to have to do is press this for 10 seconds at 300 degrees with a heavy pressure. Then you will peel the film away while it's still hot, but you do want to give it a finishing press for 5 seconds. And we highly recommend adding tags to the custom apparel that you're creating. It's just a really great way to spread brand awareness for your business. Sleeves are another tough application for DTG printers, but the DTF DTG process makes this super easy. This technology is really great for expanding your business. Sleeve prints are really popular on fishing and boating shirts, and so is polyester. Before, this would have been almost impossible for direct-to-garment shop owners to say yes to. The last tough placement I'm going to do today is a polo. Buttons and collars can usually be a big problem. They get in the way of the print head and they can change the elevation of the print bed. But left chest logos are a really high demand item for the corporate market. Imagine being able to produce the work shirts for all of the offices in your area. DTG DTF printing opens tons of doors. So if you have a custom t-shirt business and you're just sick and tired of saying no to orders with tough placement and tough fabrics, then you're going to want to check out the DTG G4 and the direct-to-film transfer kit. All you have to do to get started is visit dtgprintermachine.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.